Wagwan apples, welcome back. So it's a new year, new beginnings, a lot of new stuff going on, right? So this video is long overdue. I hope you are all doing good. So I'm starting off with this primer from Sephora. I don't remember the name, but I'll leave it in the description box. Then I'll be going in with the Hudabeauty concealer, and guys, let me tell you, when you guys hear the brag about it, everything about it is true. It's such a good concealer, and a little goes a far way. So guys, I'll be using the Huda Beauty concealer as a base for the eyeshadow. So the brush that I'll be using to apply the concealer is from Ecotools. It's an affordable brush set, and it does a good job. And then the sponge that I'll be going in with to top in the concealer some more is a Sephora brand. So I will be going in with the Juvias Place palette, the Zulu palette, yes. And the first shade I'll be using is a light brown transitioning color. Then I'll be going in with a darker shade. You'll see later. And it's such a shame that the camera was not focusing the way I wanted it to, guys. It's my friend's camera, and I was new to it, and I was trying to figure it out. I'm so sorry about the focus, guys, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. I put a lot of work into it. It's like my best makeup tutorial thus far, and it happened that it came out of focus, but oh well. We'll get there. We'll get better as time goes by. Just stick with me. And the key to flawless makeup, guys, is all in the technique of blending. Trust me when I say this, guys. So to blend the transition color, I am moving the brush in a circular motion, and I'm building the color up as I go, guys. This is super important to take up a little at a time and build on it. I never know like the true meaning of this until I practice it myself, guys. Trust me, I'm coming a far way with this. So pick up a little, blend it in a circular motion. So right here, guys, I will be going in with this light blue shade from the same palette, and I will be using the windshield technique and the circular technique to blend it just below the crease, and I'll be building the color up, so taking a little bit at a time. And the goal was to get the color that's on the Barbados flag, but it turned out to be something else, so I have to switch the focus of the entire video. But you guys will know what I'm talking about pretty soon. The brushes that I'll be using to blend this eyeshadow is from Itsmyrayeraye brush collection with BH Cosmetic and an e.l.f. crease brush. I'll be going in with the Hudabeauty concealer, and I'll be cutting my crease with the Sigma, a flat brush from Sigma, because right now I don't have the brush near me, but I'll leave everything in the description box. And I'll be taking my time to carve out my crease. Right here, I went back into the palette and I pick up this yellow shade, almost yellow goldish shade, and I'm blending that into the crease, the cut crease. So guys, right here, as you can see, the glitter was on. This was when I found out that all the video was out of focus, and I was a little frustrated, as you can see on my face. So I used lash glue and put on some gold glitter over the gold eyeshadow on the crease. And then right here is where I'm going in with the black eyeliner, just to line my eyes before I add the lashes. So right here, I use lash from my own lash line, and on Instagram, my business page is Monique_luxurious_beauty, but my business name is Monique's Luxurious Beauty. I'll leave a link. It will be the first link in the description box to my Instagram business page. Go check it out. Go order you some lashes. As you can see, they're lit. Right now, I'm going in with a Huda Beauty foundation in the color Gingerbread, and I'll be tapping this in all over until it's fully coated. Be going in with the same concealer to highlight, and I'll be highlighting underneath my eyes, down on my nose, a little on my forehead, underneath my chin. Yeah. So I'll be using a flat brush from MAC to blend the concealer out. So right here, guys, don't follow me. When you're contouring, do not use the brush to swipe up. Instead, tap tap up, and let me see. I'm trying to let you guys. So you see how I'm swiping it? Don't do that. Tap it in, because when you swipe it, it leaves harsh lines. Hence why I had to go back in after with the sponge to tap in. So you see what I'm doing with the sponge? That's what you should have done before to apply your contour. By the way, I hate contouring, but it helps to shape the face. And I hate blushes too. And as we go in, the blush I use is from MAC, because I'll be speeding up that part. And the highlighter is from Maybelline.